happy. Chair, bicycle. Box, book. Excellent! Now try this one. Listen, then choose the right picture. I throw the ball to my brother. The baby is crying. I am washing my hands. At night, we go to sleep. We are walking to school. My auntie is selling fish. The girl is riding a bicycle. I am reading to my sister. I am talking to my friend. Mum is drinking water. Well done! Now try this one. Listen to these words. Kick, axe, quick. Which word starts with this sound? Ah. Listen to these words. Car, nest, feet. Which word starts with this sound? K. Listen to these words. Feet, nose, sky. Which word starts with this sound? F. Roof, mouth, hand. Which word starts with this sound? R. Log, shoe, mouth. Which word starts with this sound? Sh. Now we're going to listen to sounds at the end of words. Listen to these words. Book, cat, shop. Which word ends with this sound? P. Listen to these words. Oil, road, cheek. Which word ends with this sound? K. Run, teeth, egg. Which word ends with this sound? G. Jump, speak, brush. Which word ends with this sound? Sh. Oil, arm, road. Which word ends with this sound? M. Well done! Time for a new one. Touch as many dots as you can before the time runs out. Be as quick as you can. Look how many dots you got. Well done! Here's another one. Listen to the letter sounds. Then touch the right letter for each sound. S, p, m, a, R, O, W, Z, N, K, D. Great work! Time for another one. Listen to the letter names. Then touch the letter you hear. B, E, X, U, V, Y, B, X, U, V, Y, L. Well done! Let's try something new. Listen, then touch the word you hear. Be as quick as you can. Bat, bed, pot, sad, milk, flag, hill, lock, fish, skirt, car, think, rake, wave, hole, teeth, food, float, way, cloud. Excellent! Now try this one. Here are some words you might have seen before. Touch the word you hear. Had, get, mum, have, them, the, for, what, go, looked, just, there. Well done! Now try this one. You are going to hear some made-up words. Touch the word you hear. Web, cag, sab, scad, sealed, plap, prag, spig, swok, sloke, rune, shome. Well done! Time for a new one. Choose the picture that matches the sentence. Read the sentence, then choose the right word. Read the sentence, then choose the right words. Choose the sentence that follows this one. Read this story. When you are ready to answer some questions, touch the arrow. Why does Dad wake Maduo early? What does Maduo do after he wakes up? Where do Dad and Maduo go to see the doctor? What does the doctor do when she sees Maduo? Well done! You finished the test.